Aloha, I'm Angela Resentes and I'm co-founder of the Hawaiian Feathered Friends Network, and we're here tonight at United Air Cargo. We're here on the final leg of our parrot rescue. This is the 12 blue and gold macaws that we're sending off to Washington. Bugsy's staying behind because of his beak injury, and he's been under antibiotics and under vet care, and so we're just waiting for clearance from the vet for him to get clearance to fly. So we're really excited that Bob Dawson has stepped up. He's with Macaw Rescue and Sanctuary in Washington. He's up there in Carnation, and he has really stepped up and he's taking all 12 birds and he's going to set them up nicely in a huge aviary, an indoor-outdoor aviary where they can live for the rest of their lives. This is our first really big rescue. We've only had maybe one or two here and there sporadically throughout the year. This is really big, a whole 12 at once. And our biggest hurdle was finding someone to foster all 12. And we were lucky enough with Carl and Nadine and Camille, our club members, did an awesome job fostering them, and they took really good care. So I really want to thank our club members who have really participated and helped with this rescue. Also an amazing family who were the fosters, and that's Carl Juban, Nadine Onodera and Camille Van Marta. They have really done a great job. They've had the birds for quite some time, and that they have done really well. Really, thank you so much. Also Feather and Fur, who did the worming of the birds and inspected them and cleared them for flying. Also our donors. We had donations on GoFundMe and PayPal, and we're very, very grateful for them participating in the fundraiser. And one particular donor, Kayla, who gave quite a substantial donation, we allowed her to name one of the birds, and she picked the name Mika.
Hi, this is Jeff Nash with the Hawaiian Feathered Friends Network. We're here at the United Airlines Air Cargo. We're shipping out the second set of birds today. Today, Hani, Kaipo, Hoku, and Kiko are being signed in for their transport on United Airlines Air Cargo to Washington State, where Bob Dawson with the Macaw Rescue and Sanctuary will be picking them up to take them to meet their flock mates who were sent out yesterday. Due to the nature of United Airlines restrictive flight requirements, we had to send them on several different flights. By the end of this weekend, all the birds will be in Washington in their new home. Of course, they'll be going through a quarantine period there. They'll also be seen by the vets there, and then they'll all be put into their own flight aviary where they can continue to live their lives out as birds. It's amazing because everywhere we go, people are gawking at these big, beautiful parrots. We've come to learn that they are Bolivian blue and gold macaws, which are actually quite a bit larger than what you would see in a normal blue and gold macaw. We're very grateful to the foster family who's been caring for these birds for the past month, nursing them back to health. They're showing obvious signs of acclimating to their new life away from the place that they were at. They've started to eat really good, fresh fruits and vegetables. They're eating fresh foods, and their behavior has become a little more docile. It really seems like they're going to be okay at this point. We'd like to say thank you to Feather and Fur Animal Hospital for the house calls to come and do the checkups, the avian checkups, and administer the deworming medication for this flock of birds. Obviously, this has been an expensive and long ordeal. It's taken over a month from rescue to transport, but we are happy to say today that our goal of rehoming this entire flock together in a sanctuary has become a reality. And for everybody on Facebook, GoFundMe, everybody that supported this cause, we just wanted to say thank you very much. Without all of you, we could have never made this happen. And this just goes to show that together, if we work together, we can make a difference. For together we can accomplish that what we could never accomplish alone.